The AE4 Pro Drone is a great entry-level drone that combines intelligent features with a user-friendly design. It's an excellent choice for new pilots and children, offering a safe and exciting flying experience with a variety of fun and practical functions. Intelligent flight and enhanced safety. A standout feature of the AE4 Pro is its intelligent four-way obstacle avoidance, which helps prevent collisions by automatically sensing and navigating around obstacles. This provides a worry-free flight, making it much easier for beginners to get the hang of flying. The Optical Flow Positioning system also helps the drone maintain a stable hover, ensuring smooth and clear aerial photos and videos. For added security, the emergency stop function allows you to instantly halt the drone's flight with a single command. Dual cameras and fun features. The drone is equipped with an 8K professional triple HD camera system, allowing you to capture high-quality photos and videos from the sky. With dual camera switching, you can easily alternate between the front and bottom cameras to get the perfect shot. The AE4 Pro also offers fun features like 360 degrees rolls, gesture photography, and gravity sensing, which add an exciting and interactive element to your flights. The propeller colorful lights make for spectacular flying, especially in low light conditions. Easy to use and control. Designed with simplicity in mind, the AE4 Pro features one-key takeoff and landing and headless mode, which eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation. With a flight time of approximately 15 minutes and a remote control distance of 150 meters, you'll have plenty of time and space to explore. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, allowing you to take it with you on any adventure. The drone also supports trajectory flight, enabling you to draw a path on your phone for the drone to follow autonomously. In summary, the AE4 Pro Drone is a feature-rich, user-friendly drone that provides a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Its combination of intelligent obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, and fun features makes it a fantastic gift for beginners and a great way to explore the world of aerial photography. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, subscribe for more drone reviews and tech updates.